Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get banners in Trove. Banners are fantastic permanent items that significantly boost your character's power and appearance. They offer crucial stats such as light, movement speed, or various damage types, making your adventures much smoother. You can obtain these powerful items through a couple of primary methods, including delving into dangerous dungeons and mastering the art of crafting. Let's dive into the details of how you can start collecting your own impressive banner collection today. One excellent way to acquire banners is by venturing into the game's delves. As you defeat bosses and enemies within these challenging dungeons, you have a chance to find pressure-locked delvers' caches. Opening these caches can reward you with uncommon radiant banners, which typically grant 300 light, or even the super rare stellar banners, providing 400 light and 10 movement speed. Keep exploring those delves for a chance at these powerful drops. Beyond finding them, you can also craft a wide variety of banners. To begin, you'll need to locate specific recipes, which often drop from special delve gateways found at deeper levels. Once you have a recipe and the necessary materials, you can craft banners with tailored stats. These can include physical or magic damage, along with 2 secondary stats like jump, energy regeneration, or maximum health, allowing for great customization. There are even more ways to expand your banner collection. Engaging in player versus player arenas can reward you with unique PvP banners, often found by opening battle boxes. Remember, all banners you acquire are permanent additions to your inventory, so you never lose them. Furthermore, collecting various banner styles contributes to your overall mastery points, helping you progress and unlock additional rewards in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.